In this video, we're going to explain to you what programming languages are, how they work, and how they're used. After watching this video, you will be able to explain this to everyone, whether it's an interviewer, your teacher, or your student. This is Infinity Codes. Our goal is to provide you the best programming lessons in a simple way. Subscribe for more videos like this and smash the like button. We programmers spend our life in front of a computer, writing millions and millions lines of codes. Programming is a huge part of our life and we're obsessed with it. But yet miserably, a lot of us can't even explain what a programming language is. This can cost you jobs in interviews and put you in awkward situations in many places. So, what is a programming language? In order to understand what a programming language is, you need to first understand what a language is. It may seem like a silly question, but it's important to know. A language is basically a medium of communication between two or multiple people. We use language to interact with each other, to know each other, and also to tell someone what to do. That works exactly the same with computers. Let's look closely at it. Computers have the ability to do massive things. They can do calculations faster than humans, generate complex images, play music, etc. They can do almost everything. But they can't do it by themselves. In order to make the computer to do something, we have to talk to the computer. We have to communicate with it and give it instructions. But the problem is, computers don't understand English or any other languages like we humans do. So you cannot program a computer in English. Computers understand something called the machine language, which is written out of zeros and ones, binary numbers actually. But the machine language is very complicated and it takes a lot of time to understand machine codes for humans. So how does it work? We use something called programming languages. First, you have to write your code and command in a programming language. Write the instructions you'd like the computer to do, and then press the run button. When you press the run button, the code starts its journey. After the code starts running, the code goes to something called a compiler. Here, the magic happens. We know that the computers understand machine codes only. So what the compiler does is it takes the code and goes through a complex process. Then it transforms the codes into machine language codes. And then the computer can understand what the user is really trying to say. So the computer does what the user asked it to do. So a programming language is a type of human-readable language that can be used to communicate with the computer and tell them what to do. But why do we want to communicate with the computer? What is the point of programming? Well, it turns out that we can make computers to do things that we have never even imagined. Now we have cars that can drive by themselves, automatic working robots, artificial intelligence that can detect diseases, and many more things that we humans can't do. And all these are possible because of computers. And computer programming is the most essential element to build these things. Computer programming is also used to build websites, apps, games, and every other computer stuff. In order to keep up with this changing world, you have to learn computer programming. Finding great programming content online can be hard, but it doesn't have to be. This is Infinity Codes. Our goal is to provide you the best programming lessons and tutorials in a simple way. If you want to learn programming, then please subscribe.